friends, welcome to New LG Commerce College MOOC. I am Dr. Stuti Dolakia. I am working as the Associate Professor at New LG Commerce College. I am taking the subject Statistics. Today we are going to see Semester 3, Unit 4, topic Negative Binomial and Geometric Distribution. The question here is, give the probability mass function of geometric distribution, also give its characteristics and uses. Now, in negative binomial distribution, we are concerned about total n trials. But if we assume the first success, then negative binomial distribution is converted to geometric distribution. So here the total trials will be 1 plus x. We are concerned about successful trial. It must be equal to 1. The probability of success is P. So probability of failure Q will be 1 minus P, or we can call it as P plus Q is equal to 1. Now the probability mass function or PMF of the geometric distribution is P Q raised to X, where X assumes the values 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now let's see the characteristics and properties of this distribution. This is also a discrete distribution, as negative binomial distribution was also a discrete distribution, and this is a particular case of it. This distribution is also a discrete distribution. But now here the parameter is only P, or we can call it as Q. Since that is just one parameter, this distribution is also known as the uniparametric distribution. Now mean is Q upon P, variance is Q upon P square, and variance is always greater or equal to mean. Now this is a particular case of negative binomial distribution. The uses of this distribution is, it is used to find the probability of first success out of 1 plus x trials. That means that whenever we are concerned about first success, then only we can use geometric distribution. Now let's compare negative binomial and geometric distribution at a time. So here this comparison is given. You can see that probability mass function of negative binomial distribution is n plus x minus 1, cn minus 1, p raised to n, q raised to x. Whereas geometric distribution, it is p q raised to x. It is already obtained from negative binomial distribution by substituting n to be equal to 1. Both the distributions are discrete distributions. Negative binomial distribution is biparametric, so that parameters are n and p, whereas geometric distribution is uniparametric, so that the parameter is only p. Mean of negative binomial distribution is n q upon p. Consider n equal to 1, so geometric distribution's mean is q by p. Variance of negative binomial distribution is nq upon p square. So variance of geometric will be q upon p square. For both the distributions, variance is definitely larger than its mean. If we consider n equal to 1, then negative binomial can be converted into geometric distribution, but the reverse, so that geometric distribution cannot be converted to negative binomial distribution. If we consider n a larger number, so that n tends to infinite and q upon p tends to 0, then negative can be converted to Poisson distribution, whereas geometric distribution cannot be converted to Poisson distribution. Now, negative binomial distribution is used to get the probability of n success out of n plus x trials, and if we take once again n equal to 1, so that the geometric distribution can be used to find the probability of first success out of 1 plus x trials. I hope now it is clear to all of you the difference between negative binomial and geometric distribution. Thank you so much.